So welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain you regarding this kit. This kit belongs to inverter. Okay, inverter means convert DC to AC. You can see this is my capacitor, all this resistance, and that this one that ZD1 means changer diode. Okay, here they have mentioned this one. They have mentioned means diode. Okay, means diode means you can flow the current in only one direction, and changer diode means reverse and forward. Okay, and resistance. Okay, resistance means to slow down the current or change the flow of current. Okay, any direction. Capacitor means charge storage device. You can store the charge in a static device. Okay, if you want more video like electrical and electronics, then please subscribe my channel and support me. Okay, this is a control transformer. Control transformer means adjustable, in adjustable the voltage. Okay, that also current control transformer. You can see this is my battery. Okay, this is my circuit. You can see they have connected. This is socket to go 2-pin socket. If you want more video like electrical and electronic, then please subscribe my channel and support me. They have mentioned GN means ground, C means charge, UPS on, light button, main on, overload. They have mentioned this one. Ground, UPS, main board. Okay, this is a kit inside the inverter. Okay, if you want more video like electrical and electronic, then please subscribe my channel and support me.